Yoris. We are two French people. This is my best friend, and we decided 1 month and a half ago to start living in our van. And we made the design by ourselves. It was the first time for us, so it was not so easy every day, but at the end of the day we are happy what is looking for now. This is the kitchen area, but we have like gas with the butter down. We have this part of extract. I don't know how to say that, but
Table?
extract area.
Countertop, I think it's.
Yeah. We do like that. We have another one that we put here. Yeah. Yeah, c'est pas le mot.
That's good.
My assistant, thank you. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we have a drawer with the furniture here. On this area we have like for the toilets. This is the gas, and we have storage here. We have the fridge, like it's big, a bit big.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's quite big. And here we have the storage. This is okay for the living area. So we have a table that we can move as we want. Okay. And we don't have yet the furniture for the seat, but we use this for the moment and it's okay. This is the closet, and here the toilet, and this way it's like the bathroom thing, like people from here. And here this is this is for the food as well. We have here another things from bathroom something. And here is like the sound material because Yoris made like music, so this is pretty sure about that. So we made this for the shoes, and here for like everything. Shoe storage, and over here we made another one for the towel, the curtains for the van. We have like for TV, video projector. So this is the screen that we pull
nice.
on the crochet over here, and you can.
So you have your home cinema.
Yeah, yeah. Voilà. So this is 140 centimeters large. This is a fixed bed, but we made like a bit because we want to have access here. And make a coach. Here is the storage. We have like more clothes here, like shoes, like trainer and shoes to go in the water. Things that we don't use all the time. This is quite some. Yes, this is the big coat and everything when it's getting less hot. Here we have solar lamp, like furniture. Okay, this is we have this for water if we need extra. And here is the where we kept when we go to the supermarket. Here we kept the thing, like water and everything that we don't have place here. Behind this, we have a barbecue here, and the reserve of toilet paper and everything. This is the for the water. It's 80 liter, and this is like in French we say caisse à outils. It's like if we need to repair something. And here we have the table. Okay, so for shower we have something like that. And we take the kitchen things.
Ah, sweet.
Juste l'eau.
Sweet. Okay, let's go.
Okay, my name is Joris, and it was a little dream to make my own music in the van. So I have hoped to record my own music. I have a band. The name of my crew is Le Pot de Fleurs. In English, I think it's the flower pot, something like that. The name is the reason why, because the name of our street is with flower, so it's that the name of the crew. We have an album with the same name like the crew. It's Le Pot de Fleurs, like something like that. And now, in the trip, I want and I will to record the second album here in the yellow track, and that's very nice. Okay, to record, I use the microphone. It's the Rode NT1A, I think, the name of the model. That's Harm. It's very nice because you can use it in the van. And that's my little studio, Tascam 008. And that's very nice because you can travel with that. And it's very easy to use it. And you can record, you can do some effects, and you can do the mastering with this tool. So it's very nice and it's very easy to record in the van with that.
And you don't even need a laptop on you.
No, I don't need laptop. Just that. Just 3 things to record my next album. It's very incredible.